Hello everyone, welcome to Unpod. So in this video, we will write a blog using Unpod Pilot's help. So let's get started. First, click on the Ask button and give a topic to Unpod Pilot, which kind of blog you want Unpod Pilot write for you. So let me write the topic. So our topic is chatbots and virtual assistants, exploring AI agents in customer service. Click on this arrow button and within few seconds Unpod Pilot will write a blog for us and then we will get to know how we can publish this blog on Unpod and you can use anywhere you like. Meanwhile guys, if you enjoy our content, so please consider subscribing the channel and follow Unpod on social media. So as we can see, Unpod has started writing a blog on the given topic, so let it be completed. So it's completed. To publish this on Unpod, first we need to copy this. Let me copy this. Okay, click on this right button and paste here. Give a title. So our title will be same as our blog's topic, which is chatbots and virtual assistants exploring AI agents in customer service. And okay, if you want to make changes, so you can easily, modify this blog. You can add your inputs. After making changes, you just need to click on the save draft and then publish. Now our blog is published on Unpod. So click on this home button and we will see our blog is live. So now anyone can read your blog. Anyone can ask regarding this blog. So this is how easy you can, write blogs using Unpod Pilot's help. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching.